Right, lads, it's emergency surgery time. Alright, so for a little bit of context, this is my phone. If you've seen any of my other live action videos, this is what's filming. To film this, I'm using the back of a 3rd gen iPod. Yeah, I'm using my old iPhone 6S. What we're gonna do today is we are going to replace the battery in this thing because it has caught the SADS. Let me take this case off and I'll show you. Oh man. So you can tell this is a replacement back case because I've actually done this before. Oh, look at that. That's the back case like coming off. This is like Note 7 territory. I hope this thing doesn't go boom on me. So we have a new bat. We have some adhesive by our mates at iFixit. Hopefully this goes mostly well. And I don't have to like use this thing as my phone for a few days. So first we gotta get this back case off. So if you're gonna do this normally, you'd get like a hair dryer and just heat up this back case. But because the adhesive is like almost given up, I don't think we need to do that. Be very careful not to break this back glass, trust me. Don't break, okay? Alright, that's where you'll break it along the sides. Alright, also, don't stick the pick in too much up here because this fingerprint sensor, you'll break the cable. Fingerprint cables are alright. Alright, that was a lot simpler than I thought it would be. So yeah, don't break this. Just leave it over there. Oh man, look at that battery. Yo, it's like bulging. Oh man. This is my iFixit one too. The same battery. Let's start unscrewing all our boys. Alright, so that plate comes off. Alright, man. Remember the days when phones used screws and not adhesive? But man, look at that. This man's caught the swole. So let's unplug the battery, the first thing. Okay. Alright, that wasn't too hard. Oh man, look at that. Yeah, Note 7 much. This doesn't even lay flat. Look at this. It like rocks. All right, so let's get our new bat. I love how it has the little tears here where you're supposed to tear it, but the thing's open. You don't even need to tear it. Yep, just like that. I think this is our back glass. No, this is our battery adhesive. We're supposed to stick this on the bat or stick this down here. I'm gonna just stick it down there. Kind of color in, just press it down. All right. Let's stick our bat in. Okay. And will she turn on? Alright, I need to hold it because all of it's exposed back here. Let's put it on here. Alright, it works. So let's put everything back together. Oh man. Finally got all the gunk off of here. Good God, that took forever. Anyway. Alright, I guess that works. Now here comes the weird part. Now we've got to get this plug into there. Still having everything plug in fine. So I'm actually gonna do this off screen so I don't show it so that I can like do it properly, but that's just what you gotta do. I'll be back. Alright. So I feel like I need to explain what happened here. So you might have noticed, if you might have picked up, that I did not turn my phone off completely when I started, tearing it apart. So what happened was that when I went to plug in the fingerprint sensor, it's on the back, I did plug it in correctly. However, since I plugged it in when the phone was like technically on, it didn't register that it existed, essentially. I kind of panicked because I'm thinking, oh my god, I've just effed up my phone. I'm gonna have to like tear it apart again and deal with like new adhesive. So I kind of panicked, but thankfully what you're supposed to do when you replace batteries is that you're supposed to power cycle them, i.e. charge it all the way up, drain it all the way down, and then charge it all the way back up again to essentially, calibrate the battery. Thankfully, that power cycle fixed the fingerprint sensor, so it works now. So, I didn't screw up that bad, but I kind of did. So always turn off your phones when you go to replace the batteries. So anyway, that's about it. I'll see you next week.